Hey guys, Tony here. Futures are looking very, very bearish. And by very bearish, I mean very, very bearish. The US 30, the 500, the tech, the small cap, the VIX is up almost 1%. So futures are red. And generally, you know, the market tends to open or drop. And the futures market maybe by like 10%, 20% on average. But you're looking at, you know, 30, like 0.3. Sorry, I meant like point, right? So 0.30, but like 0.10%, 0.20%, whatever. So market right now is big red. You know, 0.40% on the small cap, 0.2, 0.3, basically 0.3 on US 30 and US 50. So it's not looking like the it's not looking like we're gonna have a really solid day tomorrow. So we have to see what's going on. PLTR might actually hit that $19 that I told you guys about. So, you know, we have to wait till tomorrow, man, because things right now, as far as futures go, they're not looking good. I might update this in the next 3-4 hours or so, but so far futures, definitely big boy red coming our way right now.